So, good day to all of you, and we are Group 1, also known as Salaysay, and today we will present to you our design thinking journey. So, the first part of the design thinking phase was the research aspect of our development. So, through the use of lightning demos, we searched for inspiration which could potentially solve the challenge we were trying to solve and identified the things we loved about it. In this phase, we found out about KaiOS, which we think plays an important role in implementing smartphone features to keypad phones. And as you all know, Salaysay wants to bridge the gaps with those in the grassroots. So, for our brainstorming session, we made use of our how might we statements as a guide in trying to identify potential solutions to the challenge we were trying to bridge. It is important to note that in those solutions, our lightning demos played an important role in developing potential solutions. Afterwards, we voted which of the possible solutions had the most potential through an effort impact scale analysis. So this is the effort impact scale that we were able to develop after our brainstorming session. And obviously, one of the top performing solutions that we found out, which qualified as high impact and low effort, is the incorporation of mobile accessibility improvement software such as KaiOS. And one of the things that we also considered is to develop an offline learning management system to cater to students with lesser resources, as well as coordinate with and partner with entities from the fields of education and development in order to communicate uh, the generation of learning content.
For our four-step solution sketch, we decided to do most of it synchronously. So for steps 1 and 2, we gave ourselves 15 minutes to go over a working document to take down notes and sketch down ideas. So these are a couple of notes from members of the group, highlighting key how might we statements, as well as ideas from our lightning demos and brainstorming sessions. In step 3, we set a time limit of 1 minute for each panel. So in the 8 minutes, the group managed to sketch ideas such as highly interactive learning kits and various iterations of a distance learning service, which we discussed with each other afterwards. Lastly, for the fourth step, we decided to do our solution sketches asynchronously based on the ideas discussed and shared in the previous step. A few examples of the solution sketches produced are a Salaysay distance learning kit and a learning platform called Salaysay. Following this whole design thinking session, we decided that a flexible distance learning software, accessible offline, would be the best solution to our target client's problem.